Hello, I am Jake Mellichamp here to demo the School of Computing Capstone project. Today we're going to be demoing our three users, the graduate student, the advisor, and the coordinator roles. We're going to start this presentation or this demo off by logging in as a graduate student. Now when the graduate student first logs in, they'll have three main options. That is to add work, update courses, and add achievements. They can also update these individual courses as you will see soon. So here I'm just going to add a work and we're going to speed through it because we have a lot to show. And you'll notice when this work is added, it will be dynamically displayed on the dashboard page. And if we want to edit this said work, we can go over, change that document status to submitted, and then submit the changes. And now the changes are submitted. We're now going to talk about the functionality of updating courses within our web application. Courses can be either core, seminar, or other. These are the classes that a graduate student are currently taking and how they relate to that person's major. When a person is on this page, they can either add courses or delete courses. And that's going to wrap up the functionality of the dashboard page. We're now going to redirect our attention to the edit profile page. And as you can imagine, there are similar functionalities on this page that all edit profile pages have. That includes uploading and editing a profile picture, as well as personal information, as we can see here. Additionally, on this page, you will find your previous education that you have achieved throughout your academic career, as well as funding history you have received as your time as a graduate student at Clemson University. On this page, you can also just add more education, add more funding history, as well as edit your previous institutions and your funding history. Moving on to the next feature we would like to demonstrate is our web directory. And if y'all remember from the presentation, one of our main motivations to making this project was to better showcase our graduate students here at Clemson University. And so as you can see here, you can have your profile picture as well as a LinkedIn and personal website information available to the public view. Moving on to the next user role is the advisor. What an advisor is, as you can imagine, is a faculty member that advises and mentors its graduate students. The primary function of the advisor role within this project is to conduct an annual review to monitor the progress of their graduate students. So we have functionality in place for them to view the information of that graduate student. They can conduct it on the website or they can view it in this PDF. It contains their courses, their papers, their presentations, achievements, funding, and previous comments made on that user. When the advisor has successfully looked over the student's information, it can then go to evaluate that user. And the way it does that is in the form of a comment. And advisors will be able to comment as many comments as they want on a particular user and submit them. They can later view these comments and delete them if necessary. In an attempt to make this a more pleasurable experience for our advisor, we implemented a download all feature, which downloads all the students' PDFs into a zip file that the advisor is responsible for. So far, we have demonstrated a graduate student and an advisor role. We still have one more to go, and that is the coordinator role. As you can see on this dashboard page, most of the functionality is the same of that of the advisor. They can view the comment history, all the information that a user has, download PDFs, but they have some additional features such as editing the advisor a student has. The coordinator role will also have the responsibility of downloading the web directory's HTML source code. The philosophy behind this idea is that graduate students will be able to openly and freely upload their information to the graduate portal. A coordinator can then come in and censor any information that is deemed unnecessary, say a bad profile picture or a website link that isn't applicable to computer science. After that is complete, the coordinator can upload this HTML source code to any other Clemson University website. And that about wraps it up for our school computing graduate portal. Thanks for watching.